My mom's fine. She's probably worried about me.
Wait, no, say, like, let me out of here.
Let me out of here.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah,
Oh, you're cute too.
hello.
Hello. Can you let me out now?
You?
No, you can't bite me. No.
Can I eat you?
I don't think you've ever been. Oh!
Can you squeak again? I want to hear you squeak.
You're squeaking. Ooh, that
More
feels good.
squeaking.
Okay.
I'm gonna melt you.
Go ahead, melt me. Oh, it feels so good. Go down. Oh. No, please, can you go down? Thank you.
You have to relax your arms.
No, stop. Are you laughing? Give me something. Why are you guys laughing at me? Oh, is this recording?